Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous Tote's bag to show you today. So this is the Tote's Flow Tote, and you can tell why it's called the Flow Tote because this leather is just so lovely. It feels really soft and movable, and I think Tote's leather always has such a lovely quality, and this is just a great example of it. And it's in a lovely kind of beige neutral colour as well. So we have double top handles, and attached to those top handles we have this Tote's luggage tag. And then on the bottom, we've got 4 base studs, and you can see that Tote's right in the centre of those. And we've got these cute little hexagonal studs as well on those top handles, which I really like. And then on the exterior, blends in really nicely to the bag, but these are actually pockets on the front and the back. So this is on the front pocket with a flat pocket there, with a press stud fasten there, sorry. And then on the back, got another one of those pockets with another press stud fasten, and I just really like how nicely that blends into the design of the bag. You wouldn't even tell that there's a pocket there, and a lovely little bit of organisation. So on the interior we've got a zip top closure for the main bag, so I'll just show you that zip again, still works really nicely and smoothly. And then on the interior we've got one zipped pocket, and then on the opposite side we've got another 2 flat pockets. So the condition of this one is in a really gorgeous condition. We've called it very good all around. There's just a really slight bit of rubbing on each of those corners on that leather, so really slight, only just starting to wear on those corners, and just hairline scratches on these base studs as well. They're actually in a really nice condition for the base studs. And then there's just a small little mark on this Tote's badge on the front. So just on that O, there's a really small little mark, bit of discoloration on there, and a similar thing just here. You can see that small little mark there. And then the interior, there's no particular marks for me to show you. You can just tell that it has been used before, that it's a pre-loved bag, with a life before, but again in a really nice condition on that interior, so that is why we've called it very good all around. It comes with just this Kate Spade dust bag, just for protection in storage, and the exact measurements for it will be in the link in the description below. So if you would like to know those measurements and a few more details on this bag, click that link and it should take you to this bag on our website, armcandybagco.com, and that is the link to shop this exact bag. If you do click that and it doesn't take you to this bag and it just takes you to our generic products page, I'm really sorry, that it does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto, so if this is the kind of thing that you're looking out for, let us know and we'll look out for it for you as well. So just let us know, we'll get you on that list, and as soon as we get another one like it, you'll be one of the first to know. We'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. And that applies to any requests that you have in mind as well, whether that's Gucci, Chanel, Louis Vuitton. Just let us know and we'll get you on that list. So that is a request list. Exact measurements are on the website, but I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and those top handles fit really nicely on my shoulders like that. And again, it's just such a relaxed, comfortable leather, so it sits really comfortably on my shoulder. And it's nice that it has that zip top closure as well, so it is a lovely casual, relaxed, everyday tote, but a bit more secure with that zip on it too, where you can pop it on your arm like that. So if you are interested, go to the link in the description below. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And have a look at the How to Sell with Us page as well if you're interested in selling any of your beautiful bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us. Like this video while you're here and hit that alert button to subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.